What's good? It's your boy Snacks, about to do this video real quick. Try to get my singing on a little bit, you know? One Wish by Ray J. We're gonna see how this goes. Here we go. About to load. Hold on. Matter of fact, I was the one who said I love you first. It was about to go. Don't act like you don't know. We would sit on this living room, girl. Couldn't be alone. Back then we were in school. Growing up I was a fool. Don't trip, I think I need a bottle with a genie in it. First one, I'm thinking love, second one. Had one wish of you, one wish, baby, one wish. We're gonna pick another song a little later, but I'm gonna throw this one up on YouTube anyway. One wish, one wish, one wish. 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 Now I go. Have you for sure. See me. Make believe. Swear if I lose a second chance with you. Wouldn't do. I probably myself in some kind of clinic. I'm dead. I was hard time like one. Oh yeah, y'all can follow me on Twitter, twitter.com/SheLovesSnacks, twitter.com/SheLovesSnacks. I'm gonna do a video like every 2 hours, every 3 hours, real quick, you know, just to throw it up on the tube. I'm to love you. This is One Wish by Ray J, my homie on the West Coast, you know. Shout out to the whole Queens, by the way, Queens, New York. Yeah. Shout out to the whole Far Rockaway, Refirm Projects, yeah! I wish my friends and begin. Wish my boo promise to love you. One wish of them today, baby. One wish of you. There we go, there we go. One Wish by Ray J. Like I said, y'all can follow me on Twitter, twitter.com/SheLovesSnacks. Yeah. Signing out.